Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the holidays at your home. Students, today I, Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 2, File Explorer. Our today's topic is moving files or folders. To another location. To do this work, we have to follow some steps. And before this, we have to understand what is the work of this command. Moving means to change the place of file or folder. Means in this process, we will shift file or folder from one place to another place. Okay, for this work, we use cut and paste options to move files or folders. Cut and paste options are used from होम टैब से आपको कट और पेस्ट ऑप्शन का यूज़ करना है फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स का प्लेस चेंज करने के लिए. टू डू दिस वर्क वी हैव टू फॉलो सम स्टेप्स. सो स्टेप्स टू मूव फाइल और folders are: first we have to select file or folder. Which has to be moved. Suppose this folder we want to move from this place to another place. To do this work, first of all we will select it by using the mouse. Okay, and then select or click the home tab. In the home tab you have to click cut option. Click cut option from the clipboard group. And then we have to go to that place where we want to paste it. So click at the place where it has to be moved. And then click paste option from clipboard group. I think these steps are clear to you. Suppose you have to shift this folder. I am explaining again this topic. You have to select first of all it. Okay, after selecting it, you have to go to the home tab. In home tab, find out the clipboard group, and from there you have to click on cut option. Okay, this will be cut from here. Okay, after that, suppose I want to paste it here, so I have to click here. After clicking, cursor will appear here, right? And then go to the home tab again and select the paste option from the clipboard group. then this selected folder will appear at this place and it will be removed from here. Okay, to do this work you can also use shortcut keys. Shortcut keys to cut and paste. To cut, press Ctrl plus X, and to paste, press Ctrl plus V. These are the shortcut keys. Our next topic is copy files or folders. This function is used when we want to make the duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. To copy the file, copy and paste option is used from the होम टैब. आपको क्या करना है, होम टैब से कॉपी और पेस्ट ऑप्शन का यूज़ करना है कॉपी करने के लिए. स्टेप्स टू कॉपी अ फाइल और folder. Suppose we want to copy this file. To make a copy of this file, first select a file और folder. जो भी copy करना है उसको select करना है पहले. Then click the copy option. From होम टैब. होम टैब से आप कॉपी ऑप्शन को क्लिक करिए. आफ्टर इट गो टू द फोल्डर, go to the folder, or place we can also say where we want to copy the file. File or folder has to be copied. Now click paste option from home tab. In first step you have selected this, then go to the home tab and there you have to click on copy option. Okay, this will be copied. After it you have to go at that place where you want to copy it. Suppose I want to copy it at this place, so I will click here, right? And then again go to the home tab and there you have to click on paste option. Then this selected file or folder will be pasted here. These are the steps. Next topic is view properties of file or folder. Students, property option is used at that time when we want to know the information about the selected file or folder. Which type of information, like in which date it was created, what is the size of this file or folder, and a type of this file or folder. जब हम इस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहते हैं तब हम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑप्शन का यूज़ करते हैं। कैसे करेंगे हम प्रॉपर्टी ऑप्शन का यूज़? इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल। फर्स्ट आपको फाइल और फोल्डर सेलेक्ट करना है जिसकी भी प्रॉपर्टीज जाननी है। सेलेक्ट फाइल और फोल्डर, ठीक है। आफ्टर इट गो टू द होम टैब, आपको होम टैब में जाना है एंड देयर select properties option in the from the properties group. I will show this in your book also. See, select the file or folder. Suppose this folder or file we have selected to know the properties, and then go to the home tab. This is the home tab, and here in the properties group, this is the properties group. Here it is properties option. This we have to click. As we click here, we get properties of the selected file or folder in this type of dialog box. Okay. Here you can note type of the file, location of the file, size, सेव ऑन डिस्क की कहाँ पर सेव की गई है, ठीक है, और किस टाइप का इसका कितना मीन्स कितने साइज़ का ये फोल्डर है और कितनी फाइल्स इसमें स्टोर की गई हैं। ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इट कंटेन्स एंड देन क्लिक ऑन ओके। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अरेंजिंग फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स। Students, what is the use of this option in the computer? When we have large number of files and folders, we are required to arrange these in a particular manner. Okay. To do this work, we follow some techniques. Out of these, first technique is there, grouping files or folders. इस ऑप्शन का यूज कब होता है? व्हेन वी वांट टू कीप सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स इन अ सेम ग्रुप। Means this option help us to organize files and folders by breaking them into different sections. This is used to organize files and folders by breaking them into various sections. जैसे आप अपने बैग को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं या बैग में आप ग्रुपिंग करते हैं कि आप बुक्स का सेक्शन एक बनाते हैं बैग के अंदर और नोटबुक्स का सेक्शन एक बनाते हैं, तो इसको हम ग्रुपिंग करना बोलते हैं, ठीक है। स्टेप्स टू ग्रुप फाइल्स और folders are: to group the files or folders, first of all, right click on the empty space of the details pane. स्टूडेंट्स, इन द बुक दिस इज द डिटेल पेन। ओके, दिस पार्ट, ये दो सेक्शन है, एक ये है एक ये है। दिस इज कॉल्ड डिटेल पेन। हेयर यू हैव टू click with right mouse button, and then from the appeared list you have to click on group by option. Click group by option from appeared list. And then select any one option. Select, and now select the category to sort the selected file और फोल्डर. मीन्स अब आपको कैटेगरी सिलेक्ट करनी है कि आपको कैसे सॉर्ट करना है फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स को, कि आप अकॉर्डिंग टू नेम सॉर्ट करना चाहते हैं, डेट सॉर्ट करना चाहते हैं, या टाइप और साइज़ के अकॉर्डिंग सॉर्ट करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है. एंड देन select ascending or descending. order, then it will be selected. मीन्स देखिए आपने पहले क्या किया, आपने राइट क्लिक किया एम्प्टी स्पेस पर, देन दिस लिस्ट विल अपीयर. फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द ग्रुप बाय ऑप्शन. okay, then this list will appear. From here select any one of category, name, status, date modified, type and size, and then from this section you have to select ascending or descending any one order. According to this your files or folders will be sorted. Students, thank you so much. This is our today's class, and now see what you have to do in your notebook. Fill in the blanks, true, false. In fill in the blanks you have not to write the help box, only these fill ups, true, false, and MCQs you have to write in your notebook. In MCQs all 4 options will write in the notebook and make the tick in front of the correct one. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.